certainly have a very strong opinions on Bitcoin. That is clear. And you've been advocating for the so-called Bitcoin standard. What do you mean by that?
I think that there's $500 trillion of monetary assets in the world, split between currencies, bonds, real estate, instruments, equities, precious metals that are being held as money, etc. Most of those are fiat derivatives, and so they derive their value in part or in whole from the expectation of future fiat cash flows. And I think right now in the world, you have a set of strong currencies losing 1% or more of their value a month, the US dollar and the euro, and everything pegged to the dollar and the euro. And I think you've got a set of weaker currencies losing 2% of their value a month. And then you've got a set of currencies that are collapsing, that are losing 3 to 4% of their value a month. All of the companies and the bonds and the commercial real estate in those economies are, of course, losing their monetary value because the currency that they're valued based upon is weakening. So the Bitcoin standard is all about converting your long-term treasury assets, that is your savings account, from a fiat derivative asset to a non-fiat derivative, a non-sovereign store of value that doesn't derive its value from cash flows in the future. And you know, the 19th century solution was the gold standard, and the 21st century solution is the Bitcoin standard. And so that's what I mean when I say adopt the Bitcoin standard.